Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix voice and video not working on your Android phone. So let's get started. Now, very first thing you want to check out when it comes to video and voice call is that you have a good, strong network going on. So pull down the top menu, and first thing you're going to go ahead and do is put your phone on airplane mode briefly for about 10-15 seconds and then turn it off. And that is a quick network refresh to make sure your network is working correctly. Now, if it's not working, let's say you're on data, try to connect on Wi-Fi and using voice and call. And if you're on Wi-Fi, try going on data just to make sure that it's not an internet connection issue. Now, the next issue that you're going to solve when it comes to fixing the voice and video is the apps themselves. You want to make sure they have the correct permission. So in your setting for that you're going to go to apps, and then the app that you're looking to do the voice and video call, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure it has the correct access. And I'm going to use the example as, let's say, we're going to use WhatsApp as an example. So let's go ahead and click on WhatsApp, and you're going to have to do this for whatever app you're having issues with. You're going to go to where it says permissions and look to make sure that says it's allowing your camera and the microphone. Let's say if it wasn't allowed, it would be listed basically below here. I'll show you what it looks like. If it's not allowed here, you would tap on it and then allow, and then go back, and then you would go back to the microphone and you want to allow while using the app. Very important that whatever app that you're having issues with, they have access to camera or microphone, or your video and the voice will not work. Now, the next thing you're going to go ahead and do in this case is going to update the app itself. So if you're having issues with whatever app it is, again, as I mentioned, maybe WhatsApp as an example, but you'll pick your specific app, like maybe even Messenger, whatever it is. You're going to look to see if there's an update. If there is, click on update. Here it doesn't have an update, but if it were to have an update, it would say the word update next to it, and you would go ahead and update to it. So let's go ahead and let's say you had Messenger as an example, right? If you see the word update next to it, you're going to go ahead and update it. Now, once you are updated, go ahead and try again. Now, let's say you did update it and it's not working. The next thing to do is go into your setting again, back to the apps section under the settings. So all I did was go into the main settings, go to apps, and you're going to find your app that you're having issues with. So let's go ahead and pick another app. For example, we'll go with WhatsApp again. And then this time around, you're going to want to click on storage, and you're going to do a clear cache. And that's going to make sure there's no cache issues with it, and then try again. Now, if you're still having issue with it, it's time to update the phone itself. So in your setting, you're going to go back from the main settings here. This time we're going to go to software update and then check for a new update. If there's an update, you're going to go ahead and install it, and make sure you keep on updating until there's no more update, just to make sure it's not an update issue. Now, after doing this, another check that you want to check out is that your phone is not connected to external Bluetooth. Maybe you're looking for it to make a call through the phone, but it's actually going somewhere else. In that case, you're going to check out in the connection settings, in the main settings, click on Bluetooth and make sure it's not connected to a device. You can temporarily turn it off and see if it works, and then of course turn it back on whenever you need it as well. And then of course, if you're still having issues with it, you're going to go ahead and just restart your phone. So in order to do that, you can use the top menu, pull down restart here, or you can use the volume down in the side button, or however your phone restarts, just restart it and try again. And finally, one more thing to do is go into your setting again. This time from your setting, we're going to go to the option for general management. And in the general management, we're going to go to reset, and then we're going to do basically a reset of your setting for mobile network setting. If you're using mobile or Wi-Fi, either of these two settings, which are safe to do, it will not delete any of your data. You're going to go ahead and do that, and then the Wi-Fi one as well. And hopefully after doing this, your voice and the video are working again on your Android phone. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.